Yeah. Ooh.
Where's my McDonald's? These guys go get McDonald's and don't get me nothing.
How come the tires aren't armor all?
Right?
It's
And
taller than
detailed.
I thought.
Oh, dude, that
Oh, it looks awesome,
pretty.
man.
See how they are? I give them a cool lifted van. They don't even give me lunch.
After
It's
7
not
months.
big enough.
That's what she said.
Oh! Who says size doesn't matter?
Yeah, that's good.
So I will tell you guys, check these things out. These are the Toyo HT tires. These things are awesome. It took like no weight to balance these.
Really?
These things balance so nice. I mean, the sidewall is definitely, it was like firm,
Right.
but nice
It's
for
an E,
Yeah, it's an
right?
E-rated tire. But I mean, it very much resembles to me like a semi-truck tire when I was doing them. But I'm like, it is such a nice tire, and it drives great too. It's the first time I've ever run these, so
Awesome.
you gotta love your Toyo tires, right, guys?
How about the chrome covers? Wonder what it. Oh, those are on the way.
Those are coming.
Yeah, I don't know. I like the black.
The black looks good.
So here's why, because you have the black accents. You have, the black,
Black around, yeah. No,
the
I'm actually
black
liking the
on
way it
stuff.
looks.
I'm like, I kind of like it. And if you don't know what he's talking about, guys, check this out. So this is the Method NV, and this is gonna be just a polished face, polished bead lock on there, but with the black center cap and then chrome lug nuts. I like it. It's something different. Let's talk about what we did do here, and then we'll fill him in as we go through this. Why not? We're here, right? So this is not a Baja Grocery Getter kit, even though these are 285/70/17 tires. So what we did on this is a 4-inch kit. This is our Ocotillo Cruiser kit. However, what we did do is when you look in there, you will see we added the extended radius arms in there, and we pushed this really far forward. A ton of room here in the back, and so much room that you can see the bumper definitely had to be trimmed in the front so that it's not going to catch or rub. So if you're wanting to do that, just keep in mind you will have to trim your bumper to fit this big of a tire on only a 4-inch kit, which really technically is only 3 inches, but who's talking a couple inches, As we come around to the front of this thing, we will see that also under there is our awesome steering stabilizer kit, and that is all with the Fox shocks on it as well. So a lot of stuff going on in there. Of course, we're gonna have the coils and the Fox shocks on the front. And then, like I said, the extended radius arm. So if you like this height, and maybe we can even take a measurement. So I know a lot of people always ask, well, how high does it sit? I'll grab a tape measure and we will measure the front and back. That way you guys will know if this is something you're interested in doing, how high it's gonna sit. Hold on. What? This guy's making fun of me for my hair. Pull your, you got this, I guess you got, if I grew mine out, it would probably look about like that, He's still holding on to the last little bit he's got left, I just grow it on my face instead. So we're coming in at 39.5 inches from the ground to the bottom of the fender there, and in the back of it, we are 39 3/4. So about a 1/4 inch difference. Now, however, I will tell you this, the fender in the back and in the front are cut different. So that's not gonna give you a true like accurate measurement as far as the height difference, but at least you at home would be able to go out and measure your van to see the difference that it would be if you did this kit. So I will tell you in the back of this, what we did is a 2-inch block in the rear, and then we did our Fox shocks in the rear, and that's it. So we kept this fairly simple overall. Now I will tell you, if you're thinking, well, I wanna do this kit versus a Baja Grocery Getter kit, when you do the kit like we have done here, a Baja Grocery Getter kit and this Ocotillo Cruiser kit are going to be the same exact price. So it's one of those things like, do you want it higher? Do you not want it higher? What do you want? But overall, same price when it comes to the kits. I think that's it. That's all I got. If you guys want to know the tire again, this is a Toyo. This is an Open Country HT right there, Open Country. And it's an HT, and this is a 285/70/17. and the wheel is a Method NV, and that's going to be a 17-inch wheel, 8.5 inches wide, 4 3/4 back spacing, or a 0 offset. How about that? Hope you guys took some notes in it. Otherwise, while you're here, smash that subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.